tip of the gallery and the camera, you maybe didn't know you can add pictures from one picture to another. How can you do it? Let's enter our gallery and let's pick this picture. In this picture, in the video past, I modified and scaled this little cat. This is the original picture and this is the modify. So now I'm gonna put another picture of a picture here. What I mean is we're going to type here in this pencil, and now we're going to enter here the artificial intelligence option of these two stars in blue, and now in the top we can see like this plus or sign of add. So what we're going to do is add from the gallery, and you can find any picture in your gallery. Here I have this picture, and I want to add this object, like this little object. So I select it and go done, and now I can scale it, put it more bigger, small, and all I have to do is let it down, generate, go generate, and it's gonna generate, okay, generate, and it's gonna paste and put that object there. It's how does it do it? I don't know, but it's magical. Wait, so results. If you didn't know, comment, share the video, and give me the bucks if you like the video and how it's seen. It's like magical. Now we can do save a copy, and here we have our new Imagine with a new object in there. Like, subscribe, and thank you.